Good morning, everybody. All right, let's see what's going on. We got futures a little bit red, and there was some weaknesses yesterday. And the 4 hour, as I mentioned, it was pointing is still down. And if you look at the ES, we still don't have yellow bar. Once we get a yellow bar on the ES, then we can talk about a serious bounce up. Until then, there is still chance to go lower. But at the same time, daily is up, so we have a mixed signal. Right now, pre-market. Good morning, Josh. Yes, please, everybody, like the video. Right now, pre-market 5 is up, 15 is up, 30 is up. 1 hour is giving a golden cross, which is a good sign that 1 hour is golden crossing pre-market. And but 4 hour we need to get a yellow bar. Once that happens, then we can talk about a bounce up. But at the same time, look here, daily statistic fast is dead cross and is pointing down. So maybe if you look here, I'm not saying that it's gonna happen. Let's see if I can find my application here. Okay, here. So if you look at the daily and the ES, we jumped up, but right now it's kind of happening like this. So we'll see if it's gonna continue going lower like that, or it's gonna bounce up anytime, go up. But for now, it's just a consolidation up and down like that. So we need to break out of the range. Anyhow, NQ, I will show you the range that needs to break out. Either one, then it can have a bigger move. Uh, NQ, we're getting it went down last night at 3 a.m. It went down when the BOJ news, then it jumped back up. And the good news, right now 5 is up, 1530 is upward, and daily is upward. And but as you can see here, 4 hour, we got the first candle 9 a.m. So that's a good news there. But we need a jump up. If it opens and jumps up, then we can have a solid run up. It does have a chance. You can see here 1 hour and 4 hour, we got both yellow bar. But it made a low this morning, so there is also the possibility that it's gonna go retest the lows of the pre-market. So we'll see. But just keep in mind the possibilities. Dow Jones. The Dow Jones still 4 hour downward, daily is downward. So if the daily Dow Jones dead cross on the daily, that's not gonna be good there. RUT was a surprising yesterday. It was so red compared to other names, and right now is holding up. So we'll see what happens. Keep an eye on RUT. If small caps goes down, it's a big warning. TNX 0.28 lower, it's just holding up on 42.45. 4 hours upward, daily upward, and still 4 hour daily and weekly all upward. Thank you very much. And to do DXY direction on the 5, 15, 30 is upward. For 1 hour we're getting a yellow bar. 4 hour is not dead cross. If it dead crosses, then we can have it can help market having a solid bounce up. But until then, this is just on the rise. If it passes yesterday high, then it's gonna be a trouble. 104,798. It was yesterday was above it. So if it continues going higher, we're looking at 105, 105,492. Yep, Roku is crazy. Roku today is actually Roku day, so keep an eye on Roku at open. Weeks. To do pre-market flat direction, nothing clear there. So again, need to pay attention to the levels. If it goes below 1414, we're looking at 1373 and lower levels. If it goes above 1447, then higher level 1479 and higher level. To do BTC. BTC, nothing exciting, pointing down for now. Apple got news that China says they banned usage of iPhone in the government, blah blah blah, and that's probably what is hurting for now. And if 188.46 cannot reclaim, we're looking at get back to 186.45, and it has an event next week, so there is a possibility that goes lower, then later on goes higher again. 190 should come, but for now, trend is down there. 1 hour, 4 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours, all pointing down. Amazon daily got a golden cross, but at the same time, yesterday we got a 4 hour dead cross. So there is mixed signal. Pre-market right now 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is upward. It's all about 137.45. If it does break that one, then it can have a run up to 139, 141, 52. Nvidia 487.99 was a big wall yesterday. Broke it small, but then it pulled back again. It was weakness there. 4 hour is still pointing down. Pre-market is not clear signal. 15 is dead cross. 30 is about to dead cross. So it's just all about levels. Otherwise, it's possible that does premium killing, and going up and down between 474 and 47 for a while. Need to have a strong breakout, either one, to have a solid directional move. Baba had made a big jump and open yesterday, then it pulled back. So 4 hours dead cross. Daily, weekly is still upward, but need some news or something that moves it. 94.78 and 93.53. Those are the key level to watch. Breaks either one, then it can have a bigger move to either direction. Bidu, daily, weekly is upward. 4 hours got dead cross, same as Baba, and right now is pointing down, but at the same time is not going down. So it's holding in 140 strong. Again, need to pay attention to the levels. 144, 141. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. Netflix. Very, very nice jump up yesterday, but just keep in mind, Netflix a lot of time does just 1 day move. So it's possible today you get premium killed. Right now, pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is downward. So 446 is a support to watch. If you can't hold it, it can go retest lower level. 443, 439, 437. Doubt goes to 437, but if market gets very red, it can go there. Again, 4 hours still up. Daily, weekly is upward. So wait for the 15 minutes and 30 minutes MACD golden cross, then it can run up again. Meta, it went down it came up to 300.8 yesterday, but it was hard for it to pass. So it gapped up 304 this morning, and right now is hovering above between these two levels, 300 and 303. Pre-market right now, 5 is down, 15 is about to dead cross, and 30 is pointing down. If it opens and jumps and passes 303, can go fast to 305.84. Above 305, if it goes crazy, we're looking at 310 and higher level. Direction on the 1 hour, 4 hours is still upward. So just need to pass 305. If it goes below 300.8, then it can go reach this lower level. Tesla, what a monster ripper. It was crazy. I mean, just as soon as it opens, boom, it just went crazy. So always pay attention to the 15 and 30. You know, see here, 30 was already upward, and then it just curved up crazy. And then once you see something like that, you just want to grab it. And even 15 minutes was downward pre-market yesterday, but as soon as it opens, the jump made the 15 minutes MACD golden cross. Once that happens, and same thing as 1 hour. 1 hour was downward. Was like, it wasn't downward, but it was just, under it. It was not golden cross. As soon as it opens, this big jump made the 1 hour MACD golden cross. And then once you see something like that, 1 hour MACD golden cross at open, this is just something to go. Anyhow, for today, 5 is down, 15 is downward, and 30, 1 hour, 30 is downward, 1 hour is on the edge, not dead cross yet. So need to pay attention to the levels. If it pulls back, 254, 250, 255, that's the next support. But if it passes 256, and the high of yesterday was 258, need to pass that one at the open. If it passes 258, then it can run up fast to 260.41. 260.41, that's a key level. If you see 1530 MACD golden crosses and passes 260.41, then the sky is the limit. It can run to 262, 264, 266, 67, and 272.93 is the major level to watch. Microsoft, a nice jump up there yesterday too. 5 is upward, 15 is upward. It's all about 330, 317. Passes that one. We're looking at 336, 338 is very strong. So on 30 minutes we're getting yellow bar, and this does have a chance to jump at the open again. And it's in category of strong names. If it passes yesterday high 334.85, then it's sky is the limit there. Google, strong name, and me see, fix this. 5 is still downward, 15 downward, so it's all about levels to watch. 136.48, that's a key level to watch. Passes that one, 137.92, 139.36. AMD was very fun yesterday. It was very strong on Friday, but it didn't have too much strong close. And then it dipped down onto yesterday, and then boom, it went up. The jump was very huge, so 110.67, that's a key level you want to watch. Passes that one, we're looking at 112.21. 112.21 is the major level. Once it passes that one, it can run up to 115.47. AMD is overdue for a run up. Right now, 1 hour got a dead cross, so there is some weaknesses there. Wait for the breakout. Once it breaks 110.67, it can go crazy. Boeing, just up and down between the levels, nothing exciting happening there. 4 hour daily and weekly is downward, but it's resisting to go lower. So 220.79, 218.9, those are the key level to watch. If it can hold those, then it's back to 214.61 and 211.95. SPY, 1 point lower, 1 point lower, and it is possible to retest the low of the pre-market, which was 3 a.m. 447.8. So right now is below 449.14. That's a major level. So if it drops more, if it goes retest the lower level, we're looking like 447 and 446.42. Pre-market right now, 1 hour is on the edge to golden cross. So need to pass 449.14 for run up, and we still don't have yellow bar. Once you have a yellow bar, then we can have a solid run up. QQQ at the other side. NQ is showing yellow bar, but QQ isn't. So there is mixed signal on these. And QQQ, two key levels to watch for text: 375.1, 379.77. Breaks either one, market is gonna have a bigger move. Until then, market is gonna be yo-yo and consolidation and up and down. This morning it went down to 375.99, so there is a possibility to retest it. But for now, 1530 is upward, 1 hour is curved up, so we'll see what the actions that open gives. That's pretty much it. Pretty much on the main names. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know. Let me see here. SMCI have a hard time staying above 281, so need to have a strong breakout there. VFS actually interesting. The 4 hours on the edge to golden cross. So 29.49, if it passes, it can go for a run up to 34 and 40. AMC gap down. They're selling shares. I mean, why do you wait until it's $1 pre-split to sell it? So anyhow, this is just so stupid. Roku Day. Roku crazy. I mean, they announced job cut, and then so many good news came out of them. Right now, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything is bullish. Daily was already golden cross. So it's all about levels for now. If you see 5 minutes is already pointing down. So if it can hold 92.09, it's possible to retest lower level and fake breakout. But if it opens and you see a jump and the 5 minutes MACD golden cross and the 15 MACD diverts up, 93.5, that's a key level to watch. 93.05 passes, then 94.6, and the high of pre-market is 94.83, which most likely will get retested today. Passes that one, we're looking at 96.15, that's a major level. If Roku goes crazy today and this week, we're looking at 97.21, 98.92, 100.63, that's the next major level. If it goes insane, then we're looking at those levels. 107.87 is the final level. So anyhow, keep your mind open about Roku. 15 is curving down, is about to dead cross. So wait for the 5 minutes MACD golden cross. If you see jump, just jump at open, just grab it fast. But if you see it drop, wait for it. It can retest lower level, then it can go higher again. Anyway, enough of Roku. What else you got here? ZM was interesting yesterday. It went up crazy. It went up to 75, and that was interesting. Let me see. Yep, that's pretty much it. SQ got a gap down, so 57.2 is holding up for now. If you can't hold it, For it's possible this one is establishing a big base, so keep in mind SQ eventually is gonna have a big breakout. LRCX 4 hours dead crossing is about to dead cross, so if it can hold 698, it can go to the lower level. Yep, that's pretty much it. Best of luck today, and thank you so much for tuning in. I did cover everything. Yep, yeah. So as always, if you like levelchartwise.com, if you want if you want guidance, say the option service, and please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for tuning in. Have a beautiful day.